What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at the AX500 Bluetooth speaker by Alpatronix. Now this is a pretty hefty looking speaker. It looks pretty heavy duty and I'm hearing some pretty good things about it. It's got a 5-star rating on Amazon right now. Also, before we get started, there is a 17% off discount code. I'll leave that down below. Okay, so this thing is running off of Bluetooth 4.2. It is IPX5 rated, which means that it can withstand water jets from any angle. So basically you're gonna be pretty much covered. It's advertised as beach friendly, pool friendly, just outdoor friendly in general. So this has a total output of 40 watts. It actually has 2 subwoofers, 2 passive radiators, and 2 tweeters. Now it weighs about 4 pounds. It also has a 5400 milliamp hour battery built into it, so you're gonna get about 8 to 10 hours depending on the volume level that you're playing it at, and about 720 hours of standby time. So that's pretty good. All right, so we got a user manual, double your warranty from 1 year to 2 years. Nice, so it's got a 1-year warranty. We got a little baby box. It's not moving. Oh man, that is in there. There we go. So we got about a 2-foot long 3.5 to 3.5 and about a 2-foot long USB to USB-C. Ooh, big old heavy strap. That's a good sign. Come on, come out of here. Oh, man, that is in there. Excuse me. Dang. Look at that, that is beefy looking. Oh, I'm digging the look of it. It's got the Alpatronix logo on the front. Metal grill, thick rubber feet on the bottom. All right, so on the back you've got a USB port. Now this is for a flash card, so you can stick a thumb drive in there, have the music run directly off of it. You got your 3.5 millimeter port, so you can plug your phone directly into it, and you get your USB-C port for charging. And a big, serious, thick rubber door to close it all up, make sure it's nice and protected from the elements. Now on the top, you get these big buttons too. Nice and clicky. You've got your power button, your up and down volume, your play, and it looks like an equalizer button. Balanced versus bass. I guess there's 2 modes. And then you've got your LED indicator. Now on the side, you've got these big protective panels. Now they don't actually serve any kind of function other than protecting the passive radiators on the side. Kind of hard to see, but that's your passive radiator right there. You got one on both ends. But all right, let's power this thing on. You get your Bluetooth indicator light ready to pair, and then you've got your battery indicator light showing that it's fully charged. Nice. All right, so I got my Sennheiser Ambio smart headphones with the 3D microphones built into it. Check out the link down below if you want to see the review on these. These are awesome, but if you have headphones, put them on now so you can hear exactly what I'm hearing. It's all the way up. I'm gonna hit the equalizer button, we'll see what this does. Wow. All the way. That's got some serious volume, especially when you hit that equalizer button. It just jumps everything way up. Oh man, I'm liking that. All right, let's try a little bit of bass boosted, man. That's got some really good volume though. That has got some great sound. All right, let's test some Good Mythical Morning.
Today we eat a 29-year-old chocolate bar. Let's talk about
so
that.
Loud.
With another day of Chocolate Lovers Week, because we just can't get enough.
Before we go any further, I do want to test out one more thing. There is another feature about this that is, should be pretty interesting. You can pair these together. So, Alpatronix sent over 2. Now we're gonna get some full-on stereo sound going. Wow. Should we turn it up a little bit? I can't hear myself. It's too loud. Wow. Just one of them is loud. But two of them together is really something. That is some serious stereo sound there. Can you imagine carrying two of these around with you? A party will go with you everywhere. You will take the party with you. Let's make a phone call. Let's see how good this surround sound sounds with a phone call. Oh, also the microphones. I believe that's the microphone right there.
Hello?
Hello?
No.
Oh, it's only the left one. But in short, since, you know, I don't want to, you know, take you away from your last precious minutes at work, how do I sound? How's the quality of my voice?
Oh, sounds good. I'm not impressed by the sound, but yeah. It's a bit echoey, but I don't know if that's maybe the room. I know you have pretty good soundproofing in there, so.
Yeah.
You know, but I don't know if that's the microphone or if it's the room or if it's off the table or what. But.
All right, well, there we go. There you have it. In such a small little package, it packs a big punch. Build-wise, it's pretty sturdy. I would not be worried about taking one of these out with me at all. The sound quality is pretty good. Highs and mids, I'd probably give like a 7. The lows, I'd probably give like a 6.5. Playing bass boost, it held up pretty well. I mean, it sounded really good. I didn't hear any crackling or anything like that. So I mean, it's a pretty tough speaker. Right now on Amazon, it's $120, but if you use the 17% off discount I got down below, it puts it down to like $99.52 or something like that. I would definitely say for $100, this is, you're gonna be happy with this speaker, especially if you're looking for something small, portable, light enough. Again, it's only 4 pounds. All right, guys, that is it. Again, I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.